Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share internet from my Galaxy S26 Ultra to another phone. So simply at first enable to your phone data and just open your settings. Press on to connection and you get mobile hotspot and this. Make sure to enable mobile hotspot. Okay, you just check out to network name and password, or if you want to use scan QR code or manually, like open this, showing it to this device name. Press on and just enter password. When you enter password, join this network. Then join this network, or the another way, at first I am forget this network using to QR code. Press on to open my camera and just scan this QR code. Press on to join. As you can see, now successfully connect this. That's it.